In this video, I will guide you on how to easily get 0.5 camera on Snapchat Android. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app. Now over here, you can easily get the 0.5 camera over here. Simply select that. But if you're not getting this feature, then here's what to do. First of all, you want to launch open Play Store on your device. Now search Snapchat. Tap on that. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After it has been updated, launch open Snapchat and you will find this feature. If it is still not there, then the next thing you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, scroll all the way down and find the option of bugs and suggestions. Tap that. Now, select report a bug. Then select camera from here. Type in your issue. You can add in a screenshot as well. Then select what this issue is related to. After that, tap on the submit option. Now Snapchat support will get in contact with you, and after fixing it, you will get the 0.5 camera on Snapchat Android. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.